My name's Emmaline. I'm area manager for Q Care. I am responsible for Ceredigion and Powys branches. I'm responsible for day-to-day running, ensuring that everything is compliant under RISCA. All staff files are compliant, the staff are happy, they're all trained and confident and competent in their roles. I started in care when I was 16. I worked at a residential home. I then went on to do my MVQs. I went on to do my level 5 and become a branch manager, which was a big shock to the system when I first did it. I'd never run an office. I've sometimes gone home crying because it's so difficult to staff sometimes. But I've gone to a door and I've knocked it and the smile, because they're so pleased to see you, because you know that that is your one job. You become the highlight of their day. Some people don't see anybody else for days on end. They haven't got any family. So you go in and you tell them about your children and things. I've got people I've looked after for 6 years. They've watched my children get married and all sorts, and we've shown them photographs and things. You almost create a massive family with the staff as well. Some staff have been with me for so long that we're all a family as well. Domiciliary care is also such a wide scope. It could be a cup of tea, chat, spending an hour with somebody talking about the paper, care of somebody in bed who has no mobility anymore, using equipment, working with OTs, working with district nurses, administering medication, sometimes down a peg, a tube into the stomach. The carers are trained by the district nurses to do this. It keeps people in their own homes no matter what their need. During COVID, it was quite difficult, but the office staff and the staff were absolutely amazing. I think for the first time ever, people recognised that they needed the carers. But what I found most striking was that we've been doing this for years, and it just made me think of the snow, the bad weather, the flooding. I've got videos of carers up to their waist in snow, still going to deliver somebody one call a day because they needed that care that day. I've known a carer to have a chainsaw in her boot, cutting up trees just to get to a call. Everybody thought it was just the pandemic. They've been heroes for years, and they carry on doing this job in bad weather, pandemics, because, as I've said before, they become family.